So the next thing I'm going to do is jump these two wires together. Let me hit pause. Alright, those are jumped together. And those two yellow wires so I'm going to see if it shows that they are a closed circuit. Okay, there's that. And there's both of them going in there. And pull one of them out. There you go. So I'll verify it one more time by blowing on it, sucking on it, making sure that it's clear passage both directions of that red hose. Alright, testing the switch. Ohm meter. So I'm going to draw air on this rubber side. You can hear it. Off. Switch is working properly. No obstructions on that side. No obstructions on that side. The rubber hose is intact. Alright, 10 seconds.